Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, fifth gear was good. Fourth gear not so good on that run, but not as good as the one prior.
How many more do you have to do?
That's badass.
That E46 M3?
I'm not actually in charge of the cadence or who's here, honestly.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
you have to leave.